Let's start with something that can truly save you money. If you've ever thrown away meat or vegetables because they spoiled too fast, you know how frustrating that is. The Chef Preserve vacuum sealer removes air from the bag, which helps keep food fresh much longer. That means fewer grocery trips and less wasted food. It also comes with 30 reusable vacuum bags, so you're not constantly buying replacements. If you meal prep or buy in bulk, this is one of those tools that quickly pays for itself.
Next up, the Broom and Dustpan set. Next up, something simple but surprisingly useful. This Broom and Dustpan set has a long adjustable handle, so no more bending over while cleaning, and the built-in teeth remove hair from the broom in seconds. It sounds small, but it makes everyday cleaning a lot less annoying.
Wow! Let's see the electric spin scrubber. If you hate scrubbing bathrooms, this one's for you. The electric spin scrubber is cordless, powerful, and comes with 8 different brush heads. Instead of using arm strength, you let the tool do the hard work. It saves time, effort, and honestly makes deep cleaning much easier.
Moving on to the Fullstar vegetable chopper. Now, for anyone who cooks regularly, the Fullstar 4-in-1 vegetable chopper can seriously speed up meal prep. Instead of spending 10 or 15 minutes chopping vegetables, you can finish in just a few minutes. Everything drops straight into the container, so your counter stays clean. If you're busy, meal prepping, or just want cooking to feel easier, this is a practical upgrade for your kitchen.
Finally, the TempPro digital hygrometer. And finally, something small but important. The TempPro digital thermometer and hygrometer helps you monitor indoor temperature and humidity. Too much humidity can make your home uncomfortable. This device gives you accurate readings at a glance. It's simple, reliable, and helpful for bedrooms, nurseries, or home offices. If any of these products make sense for your home, you'll find all the links in the description below. Take a look, read the reviews, and choose what fits your needs best.